Hey everyone, welcome to my May 2018 monthly plan with me. I'm using this May monthly kit from ScribblePrintsCo. I really love the colors of this kit. I feel like they're very, very soft and just really pretty, and I like the clip art and everything, so I really wanted to use this kit. This is an older format of the monthly kits. I think in June is when she switched over to the newer format, which I do like a little bit better. So I'm excited to try that out next month. But you do have your little freebie here. You have your front page with like the larger bars and then like all of your holidays and such. Your large stackable sidebar. She also has a deco sidebar now. I should have grabbed that, to be honest, but this works too. Full boxes, appointment labels, things like that. You have your mini events, date covers, and icons. And then you have all of your like appointment labels, bill dues, paydays, to-dos, birthdays, and then like these long strips here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. May is kind of a busy month, but also not really, which is a good thing. It's preparing us for when we move next month. Next month is a lot busier, but so this week is very calm, or this month is very calm, which is good. So I'm gonna get started with these top bars up here. Kind of messed it up already. I can see the little air bubble. Oh yeah, pull up that paper. I'm just gonna let it be because that just ripped up a lot of paper and you can kind of not really tell. That's the first time in a long time that's happened to me. Oy. These stickers are so big. But yeah, so May's gonna be rather boring, but I mean, I always feel like at the beginning of the month, though, I say it's going to be boring, and then it ends up being just, like, really crazy, but we'll see how that works. There's 2 days up here and 2 days down here that are not in the month, so I guess you could just pick whichever side of that freebie that you want to use. So I'm just going to grab this one and this one for these days. Cool. And let's go ahead and put in the holidays quickly. So I have Cinco de Mayo on the 5th. Mother's Teacher Appreciation Day is on the 8th. I should get something for Avery's teacher at school. I should get her a gift card or something. Mother's Day is the 13th. Ramadan begins on the 15th. And then Memorial Day is the 28th. The other holiday says my birthday, but my birthday's not in May, so I'm not going to use it. Cool, if I can get that down straight. It's fine. Okay, so let's do that stackable sidebar. I totally forgot about that. Yeah, I'm definitely going to grab the deco sidebar for next month. I feel like these monthly plan with me's go so fast. There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and do day by day stuff. Well, actually, let's do payday and then we'll do day by day. So I get paid every Friday, so I'm just going to put in a payday on the 4th, the 11th, the 18th, and then the 25th. And then I'm going to also put some headers over here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do a bills header. Let's do a purchases. I like that. That's a good one. Purchases. Let's do a goals. And then let's do a next month. Oh, I used every single color, but I didn't. I could have. Oh no, I couldn't have. Oh well, it's fine. So there's that, and then let's do day by day then. So the first, I always have a bill due. Rent and water are due on the 1st. I will have a budget plan with me this month. I know I didn't have one last month. That will be up next week. Not the 10th, but that will be up next week. The 1st is also Avery's last soccer practice, her last day of soccer. So I have these little Clever Gal crafts. This is the Millie colorway. These are the classic hearts in silver. They match this kit really, really well. So I'm going to use, let's use one of the pinks to mark Avery's last day of soccer, I guess. I'm going to use that on the green label in the middle. Anything important I always like to put in the middle. And I wanted to use this. I just felt like it would be cute to have a little bit of foil to mark this rather than just like a plain heart icon. The second is Jessica's birthday. Let's use like a fancier label for that. We'll use this one with like the paint strokes. We'll use it a little bit lower. And then for her birthday, I brought out, or I didn't bring out anything. I had so many more birthdays. I don't want to use hearts. What did I want to use? I thought there was something I wanted to use. I guess I will use hearts. That's fine. So I'll put this heart here. For some reason I thought there would be, oh, there's a present. That's what I was going to put in. Darn it. And it's so hard with this paper. The monthly paper is like thick. You know what? I have an idea. Hopefully it works if I just layer it on top. Because I know I'm not going to use that heart. And that works. It's just a little bit thick, but it's fine. The 5th, Cinco de Mayo, I have in. Oh, I have a bill due on Friday the 4th. So I'm going to put another dupe sticker in. The 10th, I have a bill due. And the 12th as well. I go through these a little bit more in depth in my budget videos if you would like to watch those. The 13th is Mother's Day. I already have that in. The 14th we have a bill due. And then the 16th, Avery has her surgery. That's not really a surgery. I'll probably talk about it a little bit more that Monday plan with me. So the 14th, I talked about it a little bit, but I'll talk about it a little bit more then. So I'm going to grab another one of those fancier appointment labels for that. Let's use the green. Sorry, these colors are so light. And I'll put that in on the 16th. And I have a Once More with Love munchkin that are little doctors in scrubs. Let's use like the navy blue one. Put that one in there. And then the 18th we have a bill due. The 19th is actually our friend Jimmy's graduation party, but I don't know if we're going to make it or not because it's in Houston and Avery's having her surgery this day. We're definitely going to try, but I'm going to put it in anyway just because it is important. So I'm going to put it in on the 19th with this fancy appointment label. And I have this graduation sheet from Once More with Love that I haven't used yet, but I thought I would use a little graduation cap on that. I thought that would be cute. So there's that. The 21st we have 2 bills due, but I just like to put one in. And then the 25th also is important stuff. So the 25th, I have another birthday. It's my stepdad's birthday. So let's do, and also it's my 3 years with ScribblePrintsCo, 3 years since working with them. So I'm trying to figure out how I want to mark this. So for his birthday, I think I'll use the fancy label. That's the last of the fancy labels. Just because I used it for another birthday. And I'm going to not forget to use the present label on that one, which is a pink one. But then also it's 3 years with SPC, so I think I'm going to use this kind of blue plain label on top of that. And I have a little munchkin. This is the last one on this sheet of like the happy sheet. It's saying hee hee. I'll grab that one and put it here. It's going to cover the date, but that's fine. I can't believe I used up a whole munchkin sheet. I've never done that before. This was actually the munchkin sheet that I got in my like swag bag from the first ever SPC planner party, so I feel like that's kind of fitting to use it on my 3 years with SPC. Wow, never used the whole sheet before. It's crazy. So there's that. And then the 26th I have a bill due. That's the last of the bill dues, but I have one more, the 28th, so I'm just going to use a regular label on there and I'll fill that out. And that is that. So that's everything. Let's go ahead and do some of these full boxes, which I love. I love this TN. This was like a die cut and it's so cute. I'm going to put it on the 30th. I haven't been putting in the date covers. I just don't really like care for them. I mean, I like them, but it's a strenuous activity, and for something I hardly look at, I just don't really care. I'm going to put this one on the 3rd. This kit is really cute. I'm going to put the stack of books on the 20th. And then I'm going to use the flower, I think, on the 17th. Cool, so I got one every week except for the midweek, which is fine. So that's that. I do like to fill everything out on camera, at least for my monthly. So let's fill these suckers out. I'm gonna do it kind of weird and fill it out like one half at a time. So this is Avery's last soccer practice. I'm using a Sharpie Ultra Fine Point in this really pretty light blue. I used this Sharpie for my like forest fair week. It was just really pretty. And then we have Rhett and Waterdew, the first. It's Jessica's birthday. And then we have the 14th is Electric. 16th, Avery's Surgery. I'm gonna put a sad face next to that because I'm not excited. 21st, we have 2 bills due. We have K's and AT&T. 28th is gas. I cannot wait to get rid of our gas bill. We won't have a gas bill when we move into our new place, which I'm very excited about. The 4th is care credit. And then the 10th is St. David's. Ooh, actually the 12th is exciting. I think this is the last ENT bill, and it should be significantly cheaper. It's been $250 every month for the past like year and a half, and I think it's only gonna be like $40 because it's the last one. I'm very excited. Hopefully I did my math right. Hopefully that's the last one. The 18th, let's do the 18th. Oh, Barclay. Jimmy's graduation party. We gotta send a card if we can't go. He's graduating from law school, which is cool. And then 3 years with SPC. My stepdad's birthday. And then let's do the 26th. Oh, neuro. Cool, I think that's everything. Looks good, so let's open it back up. I grabbed it by the wrong cover, but it's only a small smidgen. And that's what it looks like. So that is it for my May monthly spread, just giving you guys some ideas of what to look forward to in May. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.